The Ozarks team brings you this 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath ranch. With 1,428 square feet, it's amazingly spacious. This convenient home is located on a beautiful, shaded city lot very near the center of Mountain Home. Let's join Heather and Tracy as they show us around. Don't miss the sunroom and that gorgeous backyard.
Hi, I'm Heather Hendricks with the Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty with my partner John Shaw behind the camera.
Hi there.
And Tracy Cox.
Hello.
And Tracy, we are in beautiful Mountain Home looking at this 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath home. So tell us a little bit about it.
Sure. Yeah, we've got this cute little charming house on 1114 McClure Lane. And we invite you to come in, take a look, and see if it might be right for you.
Awesome.
Hey, let's go.
Let's go.
But before we go, Tracy, I just wanted to notice one thing. Looks like that's a new roof.
Yes, it was put in the fall of 2021.
All right. Well, everybody will like to know that.
Yes.
I like that the front porch area is covered here.
Yeah, it's very nice to sit out in the mornings and drink some coffee, say hello to the neighbors.
Tracy.
And here we are again. Yes. Look at this room, John.
Wow.
This is huge.
It is.
That stone fireplace.
Yes, it's gorgeous. Got a wood-burning fireplace here, even a place to store your wood.
Oh, and I bet the access is out of the garage.
Yeah,
So
yes.
you don't have to bring in all the wood and get your flooring dirty. Or
Yes, nice. Let's come into the kitchen, guys. Check this out.
Wow.
You've got a nice kitchen, dining room combo. You've got a space for a dishwasher here if you want to put one in. All the appliances stay. You've got an electric stove, refrigerator. The washer and dryer also convey with the house.
Awesome. That's a lot of cabinets.
It is a lot, yes.
And it is pretty open to the living room area.
It is.
I like that. Is that a sunroom?
It is.
Yep.
Wow.
This is nice size, new flooring. All of the windows have been replaced. They're double pane vinyl windows, and they are the ones that tilt in so you can clean them if you like to clean your windows.
This is big, huh?
It is heated and cooled. So
This would
very
be
nice.
perfect for, even like a little office, or if you have holidays that are spent here, you could
Put a long table in here.
yeah, exactly. And I like that you have access right here to your backyard.
Right.
Well, I know what I do with this. When the grandkids come to visit, sleeping bag.
Oh, yeah, there you go. Or a playroom.
Yeah, playroom.
Camping room.
And then the rest of the time, this will be a wonderful place to relax. Look out at that beautiful backyard. What a view.
Okay, John, if you want to come right off of the dining room area, we have a nice laundry room. You have your water heater right there. And right now, there's 2 different families living here, but you can see all of the added storage. I mean, this is a deep walk-in closet.
Very good.
So, and then you have your garage right off here,
Uh-huh.
which is currently being used for storage, but you could definitely pull your car in here if you wanted to.
Very good, and access to the attic right there.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Now the bedrooms, Tracy.
Let's check out the bedrooms. But before we do, let's stop right here by the bathroom. You've got a tub shower combo
Oh, yeah.
bathroom, so all you need is in there.
Excellent.
So come on, John, let's check out this bedroom. This would be the second bedroom. You've got 2 windows, so nice light coming in.
Yeah.
And you can see it's plenty of room for a bed, dresser, nightstands, whatever you need.
In a good sized closet.
Yes,
yeah.
Right. This is a big room.
It is.
A lot of times with the 2-bedroom homes, both of the rooms are really good size.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Well, we got one more room to check out.
Come on in, John. Let's check out the main bedroom.
All right. Boy, this is big.
It is. Nice size again.
Yes, we've got 2 windows, lots of light.
And John, you have your own private half bath here.
Let's take a look at that. That's a lot of room in there.
Yeah, and you've also got a nice big walk-in closet.
Oh, walk in.
Yes,
Lots of storage and room in here.
it
Yeah,
is.
this is plenty of room for a queen or even a
A
kid.
king size bed, I'd say.
Yes.
All right.
So we got How about we go check out the
Yes,
backyard?
that's what I was thinking, Tracy. Well, hey, John.
Hey, I'm out here enjoying this.
You are. It's a beautiful day today.
Look at this backyard.
I know. They've got the grill out here, easy to get to the kitchen with.
Shade.
Very nice. There's plenty of room for like if you wanted to put a trampoline back here.
Yeah,
Or
swimming pool,
a kids swing set, activity set.
little fire pit.
Yes. And you could connect to the neighbor's fence if you wanted to, wouldn't have much fencing left to do.
Yeah, this is good size.
Yes.
I like that you're in city limits, but you don't really hear the traffic noise or anything. You have all city utilities, and we're 10 minutes from the lake?
Yes. It's just nice.
You can tell it's been well taken care of. The vinyl siding looks really good.
It does look good. I don't see any holes in it.
You got wild strawberries growing out here.
Ooh, nice. I think I'm gonna take a little strawberry snack.
You gotta go rinse it off.
Oh, I do? All right. What'd you think about this house, Heather?
I thought it was super cute, and you're gonna miss out if you don't come look at it.
I know. You need to call and make an appointment to schedule for your private tour today. And how do they need to do that, Heather?
Well, they can go to enjoytheozarks.com or find us on Facebook, Google, or YouTube. Thanks for watching.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
If you'd like to know more about this roomy 2-bedroom ranch, contact the Ozarks team at enjoytheozarks.com or search for the Ozarks team on Google, Facebook, or YouTube.